We use 2-in-1 respectively. Quickly open the single hook in these 3 ways to open it. We'll start with the single hook opening the timer. (16 seconds 54万 and single tick is enabled. And then we exhausted with the 2-in-1. Timing starts. (24 seconds 67 for the 2-in-1 to open, and then we turn it on in a third way. Timing starts. It took those seconds 29. This one was the shortest used in this test. But he has no technical content. Just luck. The 2-in-1 is a good tool, but each of these models corresponds to the designated model. With single hook is a locksmith. It's almost basic operation. It applies to all models. The so-called single hook to go all over the world is about it.